Are you looking for a reliable way to export your Outlook OST files into Zimbra TGZ format? Welcome to WholeClear OST to TGZ Converter. You can seamlessly migrate your complete Outlook data, including emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, and more, into TGZ files without any hassle. Key features of OST to TGZ Converter. Complete and secure OST to TGZ conversion. No dependency on third-party applications. Built-in live preview of mailbox data. No file size limitations. Supports large OST files effortlessly. How to export OST into Zimbra TGZ. Step 1. Launch WholeClear OST to TGZ Converter on your system. Step 2. Select the Outlook storage file, star.ost, from your source folder. Step 3. Choose file mode or folder mode to add OST files. Step 4. In export options, select Convert to TGZ file format, .tgz, and click Next. Step 5. Set the destination path using the Browse option. Step 6. Click Convert now to begin the migration. Once the process is complete, your TGZ files will be ready for direct import into Zimbra Desktop. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.